Hola! I just wanted to make another video describing today's lesson. But before we get started, I wanted to talk to you guys of some important information that we talked about in the last video. So the first thing I want to reiterate is the attendance. So remember, in order to receive credit for attendance, you must log on and go into my class folder. So for example, if we're all in my Spanish 3 period 1 class, I have to physically click on it and go into my folder here, and then I will receive credit for attending that class. The second thing that we talked about last time was the gradebook. If you go into gradebook here, it will show all of the activities and assignments that you had to do digitally. It is not your updated average. Okay, in order to get your updated average, you must go on to eSchool. It is not updated right now. I'm trying my best to do it as fast as I can. I will send out a remind message when everything's updated. But remember, your gradebook here, whatever's in there, is not your actual average. It does, however, have the grades of each assignment that you've done on Schoology. And the last thing is, today is April 24th, which means that we have 7 days left until the marking period ends. So, cool. We're almost in the 4th marking period. If you guys, for today, go into daily assignments, and we go into the Viernes folder. And this is everything that you need to do for today. So, la meta, yo puedo identificar el vocabulario nuevo. So starting today, we're starting a new unit that's called El Medio Ambiente, or the environment. And some things that we're going to talk about is all vocab in the environment, like the weather. We're going to talk about animals. We're going to talk about different kinds of pollution that can happen. We're going to talk about how you can save the earth, how you can save pollution, how you can save energy. We're going to talk about endangered species and things like that. So what you guys need to do today, the first thing is proteger nuestro mundo. I have a little discussion board. You're going to answer those questions. After, if you go here, we have our vocab list, el medio ambiente. And if you guys look, once it finally loads, it has all of the vocab for you guys in English and in Spanish. So the English is the blue, Spanish is the black, and it's broken up into different categories. So you have nombres, just normal things. We have adjetivos, or adjectives. And we also have animales diferentes. We have el clima. We have verbos diferentes, all for el medio ambiente. So today what you're going to have to do after you review and look over all of this, some of these are, actually a lot of these words are cognates, or words that you already know, which is great. But today's lesson, what you have to do, it says identificar el vocabulario. And all you have to do is, so I'm going to go preview. And just like my amazing packets that I usually make for you guys, I tried to do the same thing. So here we have the picture, and you guys need to fill in the blank right here. So the picture of this, what would be the best, this picture, what would be the best answer? I look here, and it says, oh, okay, I'm going to say it's el árbol, things like that, and it's there. If you guys need help and if you just want to copy and paste it, you're more than welcome to, if it's easier for you. Another thing that might be easier for you is opening up a second tab, because I know it's kind of hard. It's kind of hard with the vocab being on another page. So if you just go and open Schoology again, and you go on your courses, let's say we're here. If you just open, if you're on your desktop, and you open a second tab, you'll be able to go back and forth from the activity to the vocab sheet, right? So if I'm here and I'm like number 2, it's like whatever, a box, I guess. So then I'm going to go to the vocab sheet and see which word fits the best, okay? Instead of, jumping all around. So that's just a little thing to help you. When you're done, You go back to, we're going to leave that. When you're done and we go back to our page, the last assignment is El Medio Ambiente Práctica. And what it is, you have, let's go preview. You have a sentence and then you have a drop-down menu. So you're going to read the sentence like, es importante poner blank para proteger tu piel. So you're like, okay, loción protectora, la arena, hojas, cambio climático. And then you just pick the best one, obviously, loción protectora, and then you press next. Okay. I'm here for you guys if you have any questions. You can remind at me, you can email me, or if you guys want, on Schoology, you can always send me a message here. Thank you very much.